Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today early in the morning the sky was very beautiful. You can see very nice and pink. Also I will be sharing one school tiffin box idea. For that I have taken nice large, not extra large tortillas I have taken, and I will be just giving it a little warm up. That's it. Also, I will be sharing our house Friday lunch recipe or menu, whatever I prepared. In that, one special recipe is important I'm sharing today, that is Kofta Hurma. Very different way of preparing than usual. Today you can see in this tiffin box recipe how I am going to use that same chicken patties which I use for sandwiches in a different way. I am using tortillas and making wraps. These are burrito wraps, but I am going to make chicken wraps. Those same sandwich patties, I just cut them like this in lengthwise and add any veggies of your choice. I am keeping simple, only lettuce I added. Either you can use this same patty for making sandwiches or cut them into cubes and use in salads, or simply like how I have made a wrap, you can use this way also. These store-bought tortillas are very easy to use in the morning hours when they are, that too especially when you have frozen these kind of patties. These tortillas, you can just make lovely wraps of this kind and easily pack the school tiffin box or lunch box. Now here in Canada it is fall weather, very cold, nights are very chill, and morning, not only morning, all day long it is chill only. You can see fall colors in our backyard also. For that reason I am going to clean up our tomato garden. All these tomatoes since past 10 days they did not change any color. Of course there was little bit change in the size, little bit they became big, but now in couple of days and all the temperatures are going to be more low and it might even freeze sometimes, so that I'm going to remove all the unripe tomatoes and leave it in the countertop. Which all will ripe, that I will use in the ripe form. Even if at all they don't ripe, no worries, I will use in chutneys also these green tomatoes. The difference between the tomatoes becoming ripe on the countertop and in the tree is nothing but, in the tree if they become ripe they will be sweet. Over the countertop if they are becoming ripe they are going to be tangy. That's all is the difference. Now I have started preparing our lunch menu. For that first I'm preparing sweet treat. Instantly you're thinking to make some sweet. This is the sweet you will make in our house. I am making sweet sivaiya. I have taken enough milk and 2 sivaiya I have taken, colored sivaiya and normal. And this what I'm adding is nothing but sago or sabudana, nicely washed and boiled one. And now I'm adding sugar. If it is for any party or any festive occasion, add milkmaid or condensed milk. I have added cardamom flavor and extra sweetness I required, that I added, and this is nothing but saffron. Nice hearty tempering is always giving good compliment to this kind of sweets and all. Add enough nuts and ghee. That's it, our sweet is very much ready. Now next let's prepare the rice. For that I have taken ghee and whole spices, that is cardamom, clove and cinnamon, along with bay leaves and some onions. I will just keep these onions to fry, and until then I'll go and bring some mint from my backyard. Still there is lot of mint in my backyard which I keep on pruning, and now finally in couple of days I will remove all the mint. This mint is our very flavorful mint. There are 2 or 3 different variety of mint in our backyard, but this mint is normal which we use in our desi cooking, and it grows very nice and fast. Before and all it doesn't grow this much, but nowadays when the weather is going to get over, it's nicely growing. You can see the onions have become very dark by the time I go and bring the mint. I just added ginger garlic paste and fried them well. Add enough water, that is 1:2. I have taken water for some 2 glass of rice. I have added 4 glass of water. And we will add this mint also now. I'm going to add the rice. This is the simple pulao without adding any veggies or any non-veg in it. I am preparing like that only today. Finally, add lot of coriander and mint. I don't have coriander at home. I'm missing it a lot. And few green chilies also I added, and cover it and cook for 10 to 15 minutes, and our pulao will be very much ready. Let's make kofta. For kofta, I have taken green chilies and white onions. You can take any onions of your choice, and again, lot of mint. Nice two large onions I have taken. Onions make big difference whether the koftas will be soft or hard. If you add less onions, they will become hard. This is roasted chana dal which we use for making coconut chutney. That only I am going to grind nice fine powder. It is approximately 1 full cup, and also handful of almond flour I add, that gives good flavor and taste too. Now salt to taste, garam masala, this is nutmeg powder, and I will be adding turmeric powder, dhania powder, that is coriander powder, and chili powder. That's it. Nicely give it a good mix, and our kofta mix is very much ready. But one important thing I forgot to add in this kofta mix, that I will remember before I make koftas. You will see it. I prepared kofta curry today in a very different way. I am just frying all the fried onions. Already I have fried multiple batches, and you can see few are light and few are dark. All this I will use few today in making this kofta khurma, and rest I will freeze them for using for multiple other recipes. 1 full cup of fried onions and 1 full cup of yogurt. I am going to nicely give it a good blend. If you want to increase or decrease your kofta curry, you have to increase or decrease this onions and yogurt. In a large open pot you make kofta khurma. I have taken oil, and that whole spices and ginger garlic paste. You can see now I have off the flames, and then I am adding all this powdered masala, that is turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder, and salt. Now I will again on the flames, and then I will continue my cooking. See now already that masala is cooked, and I am going to add this onion and yogurt paste. Nicely add enough water at this point also, how much ever you want, and cover it and cook until the oil separates from the masala. See, this is what I forgot. I forgot ginger garlic paste. This is the main taste giving ingredient for making koftas. That itself I forgot in between. Now finally, at least before making the kofta khurma, I got reminded and added it. While making koftas, always keep a bowl of water. That will make your job easy. It will not stick to your hand, and even koftas will have nice and even outer layer, that is very smooth layer they will have. That's how I keep a bowl of water always by making the kofta. These koftas are not small, they are really very big in size. Normally nobody will make this big koftas, but big koftas are really very tasty, and I like to make this way. Once you add koftas, add enough water again, because koftas will absorb lot of water while cooking. For that reason I add enough water. Now I have taken cashew and melon seeds and make a fine paste. After the koftas are well done, now I will add this cashew and melon seed paste to give a nice thickening. All through the process, did you see that I have not used tomatoes at all? This is a very different recipe, unique and very different and tasty too. Definitely give it a try. Now I have added green chilies, mint leaves. Again I am missing my very star ingredient, that is coriander. Always add lot of corianders. If you have, definitely add it. And I will wait until it comes to a boil and keep it on low flame for at least 10 minutes. Then our kofta korma is very much ready. For the remaining mint, I was thinking whether to make it a chutney or a raita. Then finally decided, let's make raita. I made cucumber and mint raita along by the side of kofta korma. That's it. Our full meal is very much ready on time. Our house Friday lunch was super tasty and very delicious. Hope you all like this recipe. I'm sure you will all try it and love it too. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe or a vlog. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.